Good morning, everyone. How's your day going? Welcome to my garden. Today's video, as you can see there, got a couple of more. This is numbers 8 and 9 of the 11 plants I got in the Great Garden Plants $9 sale haul. So this is 8 and 9, so there's 2 more left, and the other 2 are just another one of these grasses right here. That's Niagara Falls by Proven Winners. It's a switchgrass, I believe. I'll read the tag when I get out there to you. Read the tag to you when I get out there. Get my grammar correctly. Or get my grammar correct. Again, welcome to my garden and thank you for watching. This video is going to be planting those 2. And it's another beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. Bright, sunny, a little warm, humid. You can see I'm going to be putting these in this freshly made bed here. It's going to be relatively easy just to, I can do this with my hand actually. We'll start with this another one of the decadents. Should have cut this open before I got out here, I guess, huh? These are very well protected with this bag, the way they, I just pulled a leaf off. Yeah, definitely should have done this first. I usually do, if you've watched the other videos. There we go. They've got these babies secured on here very well. All right. There she goes. And there's some new growth coming off of it. You can't see it over there, I'm sure, but there's another little sprout coming off of it already down there. So see the roots? Woo, look at that root sticking out of there. This baby is wanting to go. That must be that main tap root. I'm not real sure this is where I want to plant these, but I need to be getting these things in the ground. So this is where, par for me. I'll be probably moving them. That's how I is. This makes it very easy. I had to cover up that little, there they are. This Baptisia or false indigo has an amazingly big leaves. I've never seen leaves that big before. But this one is part of the Proven Winners Decadence series. And this one's called Dark Chocolate. Full sun, part shade, 36 to 42 inches tall. 36-inch spread. So it doesn't get quite as big as the Pink Lemonade, which was 42 to 48 inches tall and 48-inch spread. Well, this is 36 to 42 tall and 36 spread. Hardy zones 4 to 9. Nearly black charcoal purple flowers appear atop the compact clump of deep blue-green foliage in spring. Nearly black charcoal purple. Okay, that's cool. Smaller size, well suited to urban landscapes. Okay. Grows best in full sun and average to poor, well-drained soil. Moderately drought tolerant and once established, very long-lived perennial. Pair with dianthus, coneflowers, switchgrass, fountain grass, sedum, and daylilies. So there you have it. Decadence Dark Chocolate by Proven Winners. And nearly black charcoal purple flowers appear atop in spring. That sounds very interesting. And I like the fact that it's smaller. So that means, since I'm not real crazy about where I'm putting these two, that gives me more options for that one that I had originally thought I might do. And then I thought, it just gets a little too big for that spot. So I talked myself out of it. And now I'm thinking maybe I should have read the tag first and went ahead and put them in there. So, but you know, I like to move stuff around. I guess that's, I guess I like it. I do it enough. So we'll get this one. This is, like I said, this is numbers 8 and 9. So there's 2 left in those original 11 plants. And the other 2 that are left are 2 more of these panicum grasses called Niagara Falls. And we'll mess up the roots a little bit here. Put it in. Plant them high, they won't die. Plant them low, they won't grow. Put a little bit more around there. All right, this is a part of the Prairie Wind series from Proven Winners. You know, they've got the Cheyenne Sky in that series. This is called Niagara Falls. Full sun, 48 inches tall. It is a switchgrass, 48-inch spread. So it's 2 foot this way, and then this one comes 1.5 feet this way. So they're going to get pretty close to each other if I leave them here, which I probably won't. Like I said, I'm just not real crazy. I'm not real sure this is where I want them. Native ornamental grass with arching foliage and powder blue leaves. In fall, sprays of cream seed heads pack the top of the plant. Excellent for filling space in the landscape. One of the easiest ornamental grasses to grow in full sun. Does well in any soil from sand to clay. Cut back in spring before new growth appears. Pair with false indigo. Okay, well, yeah, that works, huh? Coneflowers, false sunflowers, hibiscus, yeah, okay, Shasta daisies, tall garden phlox, and sedums. Well, all right, maybe I'm doing something right for once, huh? Putting it here with this false indigo. Yeah, we'll put the tag right here for now. Well, said I would. That tag is already kind of bent. Doesn't want to go in there. All right, there you have it, guys. Those 2 are in. You can see, boy, I got little spiders crawling all over everything. They're loving this leaf hummus, I guess. As do I. I need to get out here with a rake now. After I tromp through it. All right, there you go, guys. 2 more of the 11. 2 more left. Both of those are 2 more of those Niagara Falls grasses. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Please hit the subscribe button. And I truly hope you get out in your garden today and have some garden bliss. Ciao.